Welcome to day 24 of Vim Tip of the Day. Today I would like to show you a better way to change all occurrences of one variable to a different name. So for example, if I wanted to change pref and add an s to all occurrences of this variable in this Java file, the easiest and most reliable way is to do the following. So you do :1 to n, so 1 to the last line, which is $1, $. Focus on the left side here. Substitute, which is s, or search and replace. The next character could be anything. It could be a comma, for example. So you can say from 1 to n, search for the word pref and replace it with prefs, comma, global, and confirm. Okay, let's try what this is. So if I did this, then you will ask me on the bottom, do you want to replace this? So actually I don't, because it's inside a comment. So I say no, no, yes, yes. Line 35, yes. But you notice here that it's asking me whether I want to replace the string pref. Then I would say no. So you can do this, right? Yes and no, yes and no. You can see this kind of gets a little tedious. Here's a better way. So I'm gonna quit here, edit the file again, go back. So let's go back to where the first occurrence is of the variable pref. So the better way is still do the search and replace. So do :1 to the n, so the first line to the very end of the file. Search for, and here's a special syntax, which is the word boundary, / less than sign, pref, and then the ending of a word, / to be greater than sign, and type in prefs, comma, global for G, and C to confirm. So here we go. So do we want to replace this? Yes, yes, yes. So you notice that it skipped over the previous word that had a pref. So let's see if it will do the same. So I say yes here. And again, it skipped over this string, which is what we want. So once you get a sense that your regular expression is correct, then in the future, what you could do is do the following. So you quit here. Then you can say, okay, now I'm pretty confident in my regular expression. I'm going to do a word boundary, beginning and end of a word, pref, and then I'm going to replace it with prefs, like that, okay? Comma, global, and then you no longer need to confirm. You can just say global. And let's try this. Okay, so it looks like, to me, just kind of eyeballing it, looks like it was correct, but let's prove it to ourselves. So I want to write this file to 2.java, and then I'm going to do a diff. I'm not going to save anything here. I'm going to diff day 24 Java with 2.java. And then you can see here in a difference, it was able to change everything correctly, right? So a word like here that's inside a double quote did not get switched. Thanks for watching. I hope that was useful.
Thank you for watching. If you're ever looking for a paid tutor to help you with anything computer science, Python, Java, C, please check out my profile on Wyzant and my YouTube profile.